Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford Explorer key fob battery. First, identify your specific key fob model. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Having these items ready ensures a smooth and quick replacement process. Let's get started with opening the fob. Now, locate the small slot on the side of your key fob, usually near the key ring. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry open the casing. The two halves should separate with minimal effort. Be careful not to damage the internal components. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, note which side, positive or negative, is facing up. This is crucial for correct installation of the new battery. Carefully pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces the same direction as the old one. Finally, align the two halves of your key fob. Make sure they fit together perfectly, then gently press them until you hear a click, indicating they are securely closed. Once reassembled, immediately test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking, unlocking, and the panic button, to ensure everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.